Vincent, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for Fullstack Dev 2027 for Java Tech, practical Java, Spring, architecture, security, AI, and modern backend engineering. Your awesome new book. I was wondering if you could take a moment to talk to all of us a little bit about yourself and who you are and where you live and what your book is about and who it's for.
Okay, so I am a Java developer. I am doing software development since a lot of years. I at least 15 years, more than 15 years, and with time, you have to learn a lot of things, and sometimes you need to go a bit further than just doing the work. And this book is this kind of stuff. It is when where you can find the knowledge that you need, but you can have it only by just doing work. So it is a kind of fetching the most relevant content about the technology. So I am doing consulting since 2009, and now I am a kind of influencer in Java technology. I am joining Meetup with Java user group, which is very now in the Java community. I try also to go to software conferences, and I have a newsletter also on LinkedIn. I am present on social media, and I publish every day, sometimes 2 days, two times a day. And so
Okay.
I am doing a lot of content, and every week I compile all these posts and articles in a newsletter episode that I share with my audience on LinkedIn, which is 40,000 people. So I have some kind of people that could be interested in what I am saying. And this kind of book, is the best articles of the last year about this Java, Spring, security, architecture, streaming, and all the things that you have to know if you want to just go beyond the average developer. Because if you stay only with the knowledge that you know from work, you will not be really relevant on the market. And when you want to go deeper, this kind of book can be the answer. So,
Yeah,
and
thanks very much for sharing that. It's
uh,
really great. One of the things I like about it, I mean, it's long, but there's a lot of like it's all very kind of like specific content. And so if you're interested in you can just sort of scan it and see things. Oh, I know that. I know that. I don't know that. I know that. I know that. I don't
yes,
know that.
exactly.
And you can jump right to that specific thing. And like if you've got like 10 minutes in your day that you want to devote to kind of this, like this book is a perfect resource. It's also it's a full comprehensive 500-page book, but it's really great for that kind of challenging yourself and noticing
Yes,
your gaps.
you can micro consuming it, because the
Yeah.
thing is, maybe you know some stuff, but maybe you have missed some technology, some hot trend in the industry. And with this book, you go on the summary, you see, okay, this I already know. This thing, AI and Babel, it is I heard about it, but I want to know a bit more about this. And so you go to the chapter, you read it. There is in each chapter the same template, TLDR, too long didn't read, and then at the end you have the takeaways. So it is ready for people who do not have time, because I did that for the social media. So people on social media really are very picky on their time, and they
Yeah.
do not want to waste it. So this book is ready. Okay, I want to know what is happening in the industry. I go on, I check the book summary, and I read everything I am missing in my own technology. Watching on the last year. So, and this thing is exactly what you need to know. And
Yeah.
the name is 2027 because a lot of things in this book is like innovation. You have some preview. For example, in Java, you have some feature were not released in the general available release, but which will happen in the next release. So it is like a preview of what will happening in the next year or in the next years. And same for the framework I explained in the book. There is some frameworks that are just at the beginning of the life cycle. And by digging in this book this kind of information, you will be ready for the next years of what will happening in the tech market, in the tech framework, etc. So it is really focused on what will happen, even if I speak about this now.
Yeah, no, it's thank you for that really great description. And yeah, for anyone interested in sort of being prepared for the time ahead, but also like I said, like finding your gaps, sort of seeing what you know and don't know and things like that, testing it right away. And like, as you say, being able to micro consume it, do it very quickly. It's perfect for that. So it's comprehensive, but kind of micro consumption kind of friendly. So Vincent, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today and to talk to all of us about your really great book. I highly recommend it to everyone. Please go out and get a copy right now.
Thank you. Bye bye. And again, great job with Leanpub.
Thanks.
Bye.